Hey everyone! Imagine this. Your garden stays lush and hydrated, all while you save time and effort. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're exploring the Drip Irrigation Kit, a simple yet smart solution designed to take the hassle out of watering. Is it as good as it sounds? Stick around and let's find out. Let's start with how to set it up. The Drip Irrigation Kit is designed for simplicity. It includes 50 feet of flexible tubing that you can cut to match your garden's layout. You just connect the adjustable nozzles, position them near your plants, and link the tubing to your water source. It's that easy, no tools, digging, or plumbing skills required. Want to take it up a notch? Add a water timer, sold separately, and your garden will practically take care of itself. The whole process takes less than 30 minutes, making it perfect even for first-time users. Now, let's look at the design. The tubing is made from UV aromat-resistant plastic, so it's built to handle the outdoors without cracking or fading. Its black finish blends in nicely with soil and plants, keeping your garden neat and tidy. The real highlight, though, is the adjustable nozzles. You can control the flow rate for each plant, whether you're watering a thirsty tomato plant or a delicate flower bed. This makes it efficient and customizable, great for gardeners who want to save water and keep every plant happy. Let's break it down with some pros and cons, starting with the pros. Quick and easy installation, no special skills required. Adjustable nozzles give you control over water distribution. Durable materials that can handle different weather conditions. Great for small to medium-sized gardens. Now it's time for the cons. It doesn't include a water timer, which you'll need for full automation. If you have a very large garden, you might need additional tubing or nozzles. Customers had a lot to say about the product. Let's look at some of them. After carefully considering the features, pros and cons, and customer feedback, I'd give the Drip Irrigation Kit 4 out of 5 stars. It's reliable, efficient, and a great solution for small to medium gardens. So, is the Drip Irrigation Kit the upgrade your garden needs? It's simple to set up, customizable, and efficient. Perfect for gardeners who want an easy, reliable solution. What do you think? Would you try it out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more product insights. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!